Most laptops have a voice recorder. So here I see that I'm in voice recorder, and I'm going to click this button, and once I do, it will switch on a microphone and record whatever is being said. So now it changes shape and the timer goes and it is recording. Now if you want a better quality recording, you can plug in a USB microphone, but I'm actually quite impressed by how good the quality is of this internal microphone. And I press the button to stop. So I can now give that a name. So if I was to say rename, demo of internal microphone, press rename. So I have that information there.